Today we're talking about one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the iPhone 16. This one's got some truly game-changing features, and we're going to break them down for you. Let's get started. 1. Larger promotion displays. First up, Apple is introducing bigger displays for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, coming in at 6.3 and 6.9 inches, respectively. But it's not just about size. The ProMotion technology, with its smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, makes every swipe feel fluid and responsive, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and even everyday use. 2. A18 Bionic Chip, the ultimate powerhouse under the hood. The iPhone 16 runs on the all-new A18 Bionic Chip. This 3-nanometer chip takes performance to a whole new level, offering faster speeds, better graphics, and improved efficiency. Whether you're using AR apps or gaming at the highest settings, this chip handles it all effortlessly, making your iPhone faster than ever. 3. Next-level cameras. Apple has also worked on its cameras game. The iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces a Periscope lens with 6x optical zoom, allowing you to capture stunning, detailed shots from a distance. And thanks to larger sensors, you'll get brighter, clearer photos, even in low light. Whether you're into photography or just want better Instagram shots, this camera system delivers. 4. The new Action button. One of the most exciting new features is the customizable Action button. Located where the mute switch used to be, you can now assign this button to launch your camera, turn on a voice memo, or even start an app. It's designed to fit your workflow and make everyday tasks easier and faster. 5. Battery life. Go further, longer. The iPhone 16 also takes battery life to the next level. The Pro Max offers up to 33 hours of video playback. Whether you're streaming content, gaming, or using productivity apps, you won't need to worry about constantly looking for a charger. 6. Advanced AI. Smarter than ever. Apple's AI capabilities are now even more powerful. With machine learning improvements, your iPhone 16 can predict your next action, auto-adjust settings like brightness, and even suggest camera modes based on the scene you're shooting. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket, making your phone experience smoother and more intuitive. 7. Enhanced satellite connectivity. For those who love to adventure off the beaten path, Apple has upgraded the iPhone's satellite connectivity. You can now send emergency SOS signals from virtually anywhere in the world, giving you peace of mind when you're out of cellular range. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or sailing on the ocean, this feature could be a lifesaver. 8. USB-C. Finally, Apple has listened to its users. USB-C is here. Faster charging and quicker data transfers are now possible, and it also makes the iPhone compatible with a wide range of other devices. No more searching for that one lightning cable. 9. iOS 18. A whole new experience. The iPhone 16 will ship with iOS 18, which brings some cool new features like interactive widgets, a revamped lock screen, and even more privacy options. The best part? Seamless integration with your other Apple devices. You can now move between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac more smoothly than ever. 10. Face ID and security enhancements. Security has always been a focus for Apple, and the iPhone 16 doubles down. Face ID is now faster and works at more angles, even when your phone is flat on a table. Plus, new encryption measures ensure your data stays private. If security is a priority for you, this phone won't disappoint. That's a wrap on the iPhone 16's best features. Apple's really outdone themselves this time with major upgrades across the board. Are you planning to upgrade? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tech content. Thanks for watching Tech Up, and we'll see you in the next video.